Hi everyone, we can continue. Exercise 15a, now we can do question number 26. In the given figure, P is a point on AB such that AP is to PB is equal to 4 is to 3. PQ is parallel to AC. First one, calculate the ratio PQ is to AC, giving reason for your answer. Second, in triangle ARC, angle ARC is equal to 90 degree, and in triangle PQS, angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree. Given QS is equal to 6 centimeter, calculate the length of AR. Given AP is to PB is equal to 4 is to 3 and PQ is parallel to AC. We are considering triangle ABC and a triangle PQB. Angle B is equal to angle B. In both the triangles, B is common. Angle B is equal to angle B. Angle BAC. Look at angle BAC. BAC is equal to angle BPC. BAC is equal to BPC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BPC. BAC is equal to BPQ. Reason is what? Corresponding angles. Look at BAC. BAC, this one, and BPQ. So these two, this AC and PQ are parallel and AB is the transversal. So these two will be equal. So using corresponding angles. BAC is equal to angle BPQ. I think it is clear. Reason is corresponding angle. So we can say that the two triangles are similar. That is, triangle PBQ is similar to triangle ABC using AA postulate. Since these two are similar, we can write BQ divided by BC is equal to BP divided by BA is equal to PQ divided by AC. Take these two. Since we need a PQ and a AC, also we have PB and AP. So take this 2. So BP divided by BA is equal to PQ divided by AC. That is, PQ is to AC we need to find. So BP. What about BP? BP is given as what? BP ratio is 3. So BP given. Look at BA. BA is equal to BP plus AP. So BA can be written as BP plus PA. We know BP is what? 3 and AP is what? 4. So BP divided by BP plus PA can be written as 3 divided by 3 plus 4 is equal to PQ by AC. So 3 divided by 7 is equal to PQ by AC. So PQ is to AC is equal to 3 is to 7. That is the first part. Second part, we want to calculate the length of AR. Given angle ARC is equal to 90 degree, angle PSQ is equal to 90 degree, and also given QS is equal to 6 centimeter. So we can consider triangle ARC and PSQ. ARC, look at ARC. ARC is 90 degree and angle PSQ also given as 90 degree. So both are equal. ARC is equal to PSQ is equal to 90 degree. It is given. And ACR is equal to QPS. ACR is equal to QPS with the CP as the transversal. No. ACR. Look at ACR. ACR and QPS. This one QPS. These two, sorry. QPS with the CP as the transversal. AC and PQ are parallel lines. That is, given AC is parallel to PQ and CP is the transversal. So these two angles AC and PQ are parallel with the CP transversal. So these two angles will be equal using what? Alternate angles. So two angles we got. We can directly say that triangle ARC is similar to triangle PSQ. So we consider that two triangles. We got that two triangles are similar. Since these two are similar, AC divided by PQ is equal to AR divided by QS. But we have from the first part, AC divided by PQ is 7 by 3. Since AC divided by PQ is 7 by 3, these two are equal. We can say that AR divided by QS is also what? 7 by 3. Since AC divided by PQ is equal to 7 by 3 already we got. So we can say that AR divided by QS is 7 by 3. I think it is clear. Then AR divided by QS is 6. It is there in the question. So replace that QS as 6 is equal to 7 by 3. So AR is equal to 7 by 3. This 6 will come here. So 7 by 3 into 6. So 3 and 6 2 times 14 centimeter. Okay. Next question number 27. In the right angle triangle QPR, PM is an altitude. Given that QR is equal to 8 centimeter and MQ is equal to 3.5 centimeter, calculate the value of PR. Consider triangle PQR and triangle MPR. Given angle QPR is equal to 90 degree and PM is a perpendicular, so angle PMR is equal to 90 degree. So we can write that angle QPR is equal to angle PMR is equal to 90 degree given. If you are considering these two triangles, this angle R is common in both the triangles. So angle R is equal to angle R common. So we can say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle MPR using AA postulate. Since these two are similar, we can write the proportionality QR divided by PR is equal to PR divided by MR. Cross multiply. PR square is equal to QR into MR. PR we want to find out. So PR square is equal to QR is given as 8. It is there in the question 8. What about MR? Look at MR. QR total length is 8. Up to QM length is 3.4. So what about this? MR will be 8 minus 3.5 which is equal to 4.5. MR is QR minus QM, that is 8 minus 3.4, that is equal to 4.5. So MR we got it as 4.5. So 8 into 4.5 is 36. So PR square is 36. So PR is equal to root of 36 which is equal to 6 centimeter. Thank you.